Hi, I'm Shelley Kane, and I'm your instructor if you haven't been to class lately. But I wanted to go through a problem since we might get snow today, or maybe you've been out, or maybe you just want a little bit of extra practice. I thought I'd take a problem that's similar to the one that we've been doing in class and put it together in the three statements that we're trying to learn how to do. What three statements are we trying to do? The income statement, the statement of stockholders' equity, and the balance sheet. We're going to skip the cash flows until the end, and that'll just sort of sum up everything then. But I'd like to try to see if I could give you one, and you could do one by yourself at home, and then if you need me, I'll be right here, or I'll be here in my kitchen. So I put the information on Blackboard that goes with this SK's consulting service. That would be me, and I get to have my own business. So, and I sold stock to all of you, remember, because you were so willing to help me start my business. So I'm going to put a bunch of numbers together out there, just like some of the ones we've done in class, and you can try to see if you can put it on the statements. Remember, it only goes on each number or each account only goes once, and then you can check it off, and then unless you calculate it to be different, it will not appear again on a different statement. Or does that make sense? Let's see if we can do that. Let's put together the income statement first. Now, why do we need an income statement? Okay, I'm waiting for you to tell me. Do you think it's important? It's extremely important. I really want to know if my business is making any money, any profit. It's not just cash, but I want to know that if I'm really earning a living doing this, or I won't do it if I won't. So I'm going to put that together for my readers. Who are you? You've bought into my company, so I would expect that you'd want to know, how well I'm doing. So taking the numbers that I gave you on the other sheet of paper under SK's information, let's see if we can put together the income statement. And I put an easel, sort of, a piece of paper together. It looks sort of like my writing on the board in class. So it's SK's Accounting Service Incorporated. That's what I'm calling it. And this is the income statement. So you always want to do these three lines for your heading. Really critical to put the right heading. It won't tell your readers much if you don't. This is the business name. This is the name of the statement. And here, critical, the date line. Well, so if you left the date line off and you picked up a statement, you wouldn't know what you were reading. We're reading for the whole year ended 12/31, whatever year it is. That's very critical and very different from the balance sheet. So that's the first step. Then what are we looking for? The first line is going to be called revenue. In this case, it's consulting revenue. That's what I'm in the business to do. I'm consulting or accounting revenue, and that's the sales. That's my sales. Then I'm going to gather all my other expenses and put them together and see if I can make a profit. Now, why don't you try that? Go ahead, look at the information, don't watch me, and see if you get that. And I'll stop this for a second.